Duplicating objects. You can both duplicate objects and even copy object formats. Suppose we create a new text object and give it some special properties, such as making it 16-point bold and italic and red in color. Now, if we wanted to duplicate this object, all we have to do is select it and press Ctrl D on the keyboard. Each time you press Ctrl D, you will create a new object that has the same properties except for position as the original object. Each newly created object becomes the next currently selected object. We just pressed Ctrl D 4 times and created 4 new strings that, except for a slight change in position, appear identical. Next, we are going to show how to copy an object format. For this example, we are going to load 5 different text strings. These strings are newly created and are all 10-point black Times New Roman fonts. We then select what is called the original string, and we just change its format properties so that it is blue and bold and underline, and we change the font family to Arial, and we make it 12 points. Note that it takes a little bit of time to set all these attributes of the original string. Although we could repeat the steps we just used to change the original 4 strings to change the other strings, that would take 4 times as long. Instead of changing each string one at a time, we can instead employ the Copy Object Format tool. Just move the mouse over the Copy Object Format tool in the lower toolbar and read the hint in the status line at the bottom of the screen. The brief instructions in the status line are telling us to first click the tool, which we do. Note the cursor changes to a paintbrush cursor. Now, the first object we select after starting the Copy Object Format tool is special, as it will have its format properties selected and copied. You will see a brief pop-up message telling you the format was copied. Finally, we will click the other 4 remaining strings one at a time, and we see the format gets pasted into each object. It is just that fast and easy to copy the format from the first selected object to all the remaining objects. When we are finished using the Copy Object Format tool, we should click the Selection tool in the lower toolbar to turn off the Format Copy function. The cursor will change back to a regular arrow selection cursor. In this brief demonstration, we have learned that pressing Ctrl D on the keyboard duplicates the currently selected object. We have learned to use the Copy Object Format tool to quickly copy the attributes of one object and paste those attributes onto other like objects. Although the demonstration just shown was applied to text strings, you can copy the format of any geometric object or barcode or block text object to any other like object.